All right, class, let's continue with your notes from section 3.5 from M0404. Here we have evaluate the expression and round to the nearest hundredths place. So again, that's rounding to 2 decimal places. So let's go ahead and round at the very end to 2 decimal places. So we've already had some practice on how to solve questions 7 and 8 from the previous video. So now let's focus on 9 and 10. So let's do question 9 together. Part A only. So here we have evaluate this equation with the given values and round to the nearest whole number. So this one they want us no decimals. They just want a nice whole number. So we're given the value for mu, for z, and for sigma. Let's substitute those into the equation. So I personally like to write down the equation in the order in which it's given so I know where my variables are. And I know what to substitute right underneath. So mu is 50 plus z is 1.28 times, because these two are written next to each other, I know they're being multiplied, sigma is 10. So what do we do first? The order of operations here, the first step is to multiply before you add. So 1.28 times 10 gives you 12.8. And then from left to right, and that's all that's left to do, is add 50 plus 12.8, and we do that. Final answer is 62.8. So that's our value for x in this example. Okay, so try B and the 9 examples A and B the same way. Now let's do question 11 A and B. Question 12 is something you might see in statistics class, where you have some expression written in this format. We have x bar plus or minus the e. So here x bar is just a variable, a letter, and that has a value of 9.75. E has a value of 1.089. So we're going to round to 3 decimal places on this example. So let's substitute for x. In this expression, we have 9.75 for x bar. Don't forget there's a bar there. 9.75 plus or minus e, and e is 1.089. So this actually has 2 answers. One uses a plus sign in the middle, and the other one uses a negative sign found in the middle. So let's write those 9.75 plus 1.089. The other one is 9.75 minus 1.089. So write them down. And what are the 2 values here? 9.75 plus 1.089. That gives us 10.839. Circle that answer. When you subtract them, you get 8.661. Circle that answer. Don't forget to round to 3 decimal places. Well, these already have 3 decimal places. So they sometimes might say evaluate this and give us the interval. So in case they ask for the interval, because you might see that in a separate location, the interval is from the smallest value. Here the smallest value is the one when you subtract. So that's 8.661 comma all the way to 10.839. So this interval is the same thing as this expression that's right here. So in statistics, they might leave it as 9.75 plus or minus 1.089, but that's representing all the values in that interval. Okay? So try example 13, and that's it for section 3.5. Make sure to upload the other solutions to Blackboard if your instructor asks you to do so. Have a great day.